Are you looking for a fast, reliable way to export multiple Photoshop files into a single, high-resolution PDF? Wondering how to keep your images looking crisp and professional for portfolios, presentations, or client proofs? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the best method to combine several PSDs into a top-quality multi-page PDF using Photoshop's built-in tools. By the end of this video, you'll know how to batch export your layered files, get control over the order, and guarantee print-ready clarity. Let's dive straight in. The first step is opening your Photoshop files. You can do this the traditional way. Just open each file you want to include. However, there's a much quicker option built right into Photoshop. Go to the top menu, click on File, hover over Automate, and select PDF Presentation. This feature is specifically designed for exporting multiple files together, and it's a real lifesaver when you've got a bunch of artwork or photos to combine. When the PDF presentation window pops up, just click Browse. Here, navigate to the folder where your files are stored and select every image you want in your PDF. Remember, you can select multiple files at once, so don't worry about adding them one by one. Now, let's set up your document. Look for the Output Options section. This is key. Make sure to check the box labeled Multi-Page Document. This tells Photoshop to place each file on its own page within the final PDF, instead of creating a single giant poster or grid. What's really handy is that you can drag and drop your files within this window to reorder the pages. So, if you want that cover image to appear first or you'd prefer to show your sketches before finals, just rearrange them here. Take a moment to think about the story or flow you want viewers to see. Good order helps your work shine. And here's a subtle detail not everyone remembers. You can set your page backgrounds. If you want a clean, distraction-free look, make sure the background color is set to white. This makes your images feel polished and professional, especially when viewed or printed. If Photoshop gives you the option, double-check this setting before moving ahead. Once you're satisfied with your setup, click Save. Choose a location for your PDF. Pick somewhere easy to remember, like your desktop or a dedicated project folder. But before your PDF gets created, one more important window will pop up. The PDF settings. This is where you make the magic happen for high resolution. If you want maximum clarity, choose a preset like High Quality Print. This ensures your images retain vibrant color and detail, perfect for portfolios or print proofs. Alternatively, if you need more control, you can manually tweak the options here. For example, set compression to None or Low, avoid downsampling, and make sure color conversion matches your project's needs. Usually, leaving colors as they are preserves accuracy. Don't rush this part. It's worth a brief pause to double-check your choices. If you pick a lower quality setting by mistake, you might end up with blurry or pixelated pages. If you're ever unsure, high-quality print is a safe bet for most uses. Finally, all that's left is to click Save PDF. Photoshop will assemble your files, keep your order, and export a multi-page, high-resolution PDF. Depending on the file sizes, this might take a few moments. Don't worry if you see a progress bar hang around. It's just Photoshop doing the heavy lifting in the background. And that's all there is to it, a professional multi-page PDF in just a few quick steps. I hope this walkthrough helped you feel confident exporting your own Photoshop projects at maximum quality. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you've got any questions or run into issues, drop a comment below. I check those regularly and love helping out. For more Photoshop tips and creative workflow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.